Welcome back to Bobby's Dirty Computer Series breakdown on here on Run of the Layers. Let's get right into part two, starting with Django Jane, the illustration that kind of started it all, because this is the first illustration that I did for the entire series, which is the Django Jane. Like, I drew this from the frame of the Django Jane video where she pans right for the angle, because I loved her attitude and her swag throughout the entire album. So I just knew that, and it's with it, the title being Django Jane, I just felt like it had to be her. Like, I had to have an illustration of her, and that this illustration would possibly be the centerpiece of the entire thing, because I use different versions of the illustration I did here for other tracks. The colors I used in this, specifically the color of her face, is actually taken from the color of her suit, because I used the eyedropper tool kind of throughout this project at various points to try to kind of connect the color to the actual colors that you see, whether it be on the album artwork or in the videos. With Pink, I took my inspiration directly from the music video. Like, the pink, demonstrates, the taking what I saw in the video, specifically the pants that the dancers wear as they're dancing in the video, and I put that in Illustrator form, and I made with a lot of these I'm doing what's the least amount that can get the most amount of meaning. Like, exactly what I'm referencing, exactly what I'm trying to get to with this. So I thought this was just an awesome, and of course I used various shades of pink because I'm relating it not only to the subject matter, but to the color they're talking about in the video itself. Now, with Make Me Feel, instantly I knew I wanted to do something with the shades that she was wearing, because I just thought there were just some cool shades, and that was kind of like one of the iconic parts of that scene. Because even on the single artwork, she has those shades on. So I knew I was gonna do the shades, and I wanted to make sure I had those slight shadows and those slight glimmer. And with the shades, I didn't think that would be enough, because I wanted to have enough to where I felt like this could properly represent the song. So with the shades, I took the shades and then added the two symbols, the symbol for male and symbol for female, because in the video there's a particular part, even in the dance part, where she's dancing between a man and a woman. So I wanted to kind of reference that in the illustration. Now with I Got the Juice, I want the juice box for the win, because I instantly liked, referencing that. So I also used the Django Jane silhouette here. So the Django Jane silhouette kind of represents the brand that kind of is weaved throughout this whole project. So this is 100% Janelle Monae, because she's 100% unique, 100% herself, 100% creative. She is of her own world, and I'm just blessed to be a part of it, blessed to be listening to it. So with I Got the Juice, it was pretty straight to the point. Juice box branded with her face on it, 100%. Well, that's it for part number two. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video so everybody can get this goodness that I'm trying to present to the world. Make sure that as you go along in life, you teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See you next time.